Welcome back to online classes. So in today's video I'm going to discuss the 12 marks question and practical oriented questions. Briefly explain the following basic accounting terms. So as per reduced syllabus, in first and second chapter you have theory part, 12 marks question. You will get compulsory 2 questions. Briefly explain the following basic accounting terms. For each topic we have to write 3 to 4 lines. Entity, transactions, capital, revenue, voucher, and goods. Next, briefly explain the following concepts: business entity, money measurement concept, going concern concept, matching, full disclosure, and consistency. For each point, you have to explain. You have to give explanation 3 to 4 lines. So this is about theory. Next question. Journal entries. You have to pass the journal entries. Business started with cash. Open a bank account. Bought goods from Satish. Returned goods to Satish. Check issued in favor of Satish. It means check issued to Satish. Gave charity account debit to cash account. Paid electricity. Bought furniture. Drew cash from bank for personal use. Drawings here. Bought postage stamps. Postage stamps account to cash account. Drew cash for personal use. Drawings account. Commission received in advance. Cash account to commission received account. Now record the following transaction: double column cash book. So in double column cash book, the main the contra entry. So contra entry, bank balance, cash balance debit side, paid insurance credit side. Cash deposit into bank is a contra entry. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use, contra entry. So these 2 questions are contra entry. Next, enter the following transactions in relevant subsidiary books. Here 4 books we have to open: purchase book, purchase return book, sales book, and sales return book. In all 4 books we have to record only credit transactions. From the following trial balance, prepare a trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. The final accounts rules: trial balance items should be entered only in one place, either a trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Capital goes to balance sheet, drawings balance sheet, Purchase and sales trading account. Stock on 1/4/2019 is an opening stock trading account. Returns, purchase return and sales return trading account. Wages trading account. Building is an asset, goes to balance sheet. Freight charges trading account. Trade expenses PL account. Advertisement PL account. Interest PL account. Taxes and insurance PL account. Debtors and creditors balance sheet. Bills receivable balance sheet. Cash and cash in hand, cash at bank balance sheet. Salaries PL account. So trial balance items should be entered only in one place. So the balance sheet, assets and liabilities which has given in the trial balance goes to balance sheet. Direct expenses should be recorded in trading account. Indirect expenses should be recorded in profit and loss account. Now complete the adjustment part. So adjustments rules. Adjustment should be entered in two places. First in trading and profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. See stock, always closing stock you will get it in the adjustment. Closing stock first trading account, then again in balance sheet asset side. Insurance prepaid, that is insurance had already paid in advance. PL account you have to minus in balance sheet asset side. Outstanding salaries, so it is unpaid, so unpaid should be added in PL account and again you have to show in balance sheet liability side. Depreciate building PL account debit side and again in balance sheet we have to minus in building amount. PDD at 5% on debtors PL account debit side and again in balance sheet we have to minus. Now next, Mr. Ankit kept his books under incomplete records. He provided the following information. See, first, under singularity system, you have to ascertain the opening and closing capital with the help of this opening and closing balance. Now you have to separate assets and liabilities here to find out opening and closing capital. Cash asset, BOD liability, bills receivable asset, debtors asset, stock asset, furniture asset, machinery asset, bills payable liability, building asset, creditors liability, capital. Opening capital already has given. Now you need to find out closing capital. Now adjustments. During the year, he has withdrew rupees cash 13,000, goods 7,000 for his personal use. So drawings here, total drawings he has used 20,000 and he has brought additional capital 12,000 on 1/7/2019. So these drawings and additional capital will record first under statement of PL account and again in balance sheet. Next adjustment, appreciate building for 20% under incomes and gains. Provide bad debts under expenses losses. Allow interest on capital. Interest on capital we have to calculate both on opening and additional capital. Additional capital interest we have to charge from 1/7. Depreciate machinery under expense losses. Salary due under expenses and losses. Prepare statement of affairs, statement of PL and device statement. Now practical oriented questions. So you'll get 3 questions. Out of 3, you have to answer any 2. So 12 marks questions, you will get 7 questions. You have to answer any 4. Next, draw a diagram of accounting process. Accounting process like business transaction, journal, ledger, trial balance, final accounts. Try a specimen of a check. So how the check will be there, that we have to write it. So it is there in notes, or we can copy any check, let it be from any bank. Next, prepare statement of phase with the 5 imaginary figures. So statement of phase you have to prepare with the help of assets and liabilities. So this is about 12 marks and practical oriented question. So it's clear that 100 marks question paper, section A carries 1 marks. You will get 10 questions. Out of 10 you have to answer any 8. Section B 2 marks questions, you will get 8 questions. Out of 8 we have to answer any 5. 6 marks questions, you will get 7 questions. Out of 7 we have to answer any 4. 12 marks questions, you will get 7. Out of 7 you have to answer any 4. And practical oriented questions, you will get 3 questions. Out of 3 you have to answer any 2.